ActiveCampaign most important automation. And when I say most important automation, I mean an automation that's designed to get people to do something specifically. Typically, it's to buy something you're offering. Now this automation, when you put them in, you want to apply a do not disturb tag. And inside there, you're going to do an email, wait cycle over and over for as many emails as you have. Near the bottom, you're going to want to have a customer goal so that they get pulled out of this automation if they become a customer. And then finally, remove the do not disturb tag. So let's dive right in. Inside your ActiveCampaign account, you're going to want to create an automation. I've called it most important automation. The trigger is going to be a page visit. So you're going to want to specify which page on the domain. It can be a wildcard, but typically, let's say it's checkout. You could put a star at the end, which would allow you to capture query string variables. But something like that, typically I would recommend running it once. They don't need to see this sequence of emails over and over again. So that'll be your start. And then the first thing we want to do is we're going to want to apply a tag called do not disturb. And then from here, we're going to send an email, wait for a certain amount of time, and then we'll repeat this over and over as many times as we have an email for. But in this case, I'm only going to do it once. I am going to put a goal down here, and it's going to be customer. And typically when somebody becomes a customer, they get a tag applied. So I'm going to go look for a specific tag. And a lot of times it's the product name. So it might be membership. So if any time during this campaign, and we want it just to continue on, if any time during this campaign, especially if they're getting multiple emails, they make a purchase, they get tagged as a customer, I no longer want to send them any more emails. And then right after that, we want to remove the do not disturb tag. And then we'll end the automation. So again, person gets put into here when they visit a particular page. We add a do not disturb tag. We send them a series of emails followed by a wait in between each email. Have a goal at the bottom which says if they become a customer, pull them out. And then we remove the do not disturb tag and in this automation. That's how we set up a most important automation in ActiveCampaign.